Welcome to our channel where we believe there is a healthier and safer way to better health. Hi, I'm passionate about sharing the world of naturopathic and holistic forms of healthcare with you. Our channel is dedicated to providing how-to, educational and tutorial videos about naturopathic medicine and holistic practices, exposing the profit over healthcare mentality, and revealing the misleading guidance from governmental health agencies. I believe everyone deserves to know there's a healthy alternative to pharmaceuticals. No matter what illness you're dealing with, there's a natural way to find relief and improve your well-being. Too often, our healthcare system prioritizes profit over people, pushing medications instead of addressing the root causes of health issues. This passion is personal for me. I have family members and friends whom I love dearly, but their addiction to prescription medicines created a painful distance between us. Instead of addressing the root causes of their problems, their doctors handed out medications like candy. To protect my young children and, to be honest with you, to preserve the respect and love I have for them, I withdrew from them. Each time one of them passed away, I felt a profound guilt for not doing more, for not fighting harder against the real drug dealers in white coats. Don't get me wrong, when it comes to trauma-related issues, we have some of the best doctors in the world. However, the exorbitant cost of that care is nothing short of robbery. In your most desperate times, you are exploited financially, and then the hospital staff often prescribe medications that can lead to long-term dependencies, increasing their profits over time. But now, I'm taking a stand. I'm here to share what I've learned and to help you discover the power of natural preventative care and remedies, as well as poke the bear whenever the opportunity arises, which will probably be pretty often given the state of things. Join me on this journey, and together, let's explore how we can achieve better health naturally, and hopefully put an end to the legal but unethical and deadly drug dealing industry disguised as a healthcare system. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, because there is a healthier way to better health, and it starts here. This has been a RABSAB video production.